Welcome to day 14. Today we've got roasted butternut squash soup, and Melissa's going to show us how to prepare it.
Okay, to start with our butternut squash, you have to peel it and seed it and cut it into about 1-inch pieces, or you can find it already done for you, packaged and cut up into pieces, which I did this time. And we have to add to that an onion cut up into 1-inch pieces and 2 apples. And I used Junami. You can use Macintosh, Fuji, whatever you like, as long as it's got some crispness to it.
The squash that you found already done, what part of the store is it found? Where it's already cut up?
I found this at Sam's, already packaged, already cut up.
Where? Where in Sam's?
In the produce refrigerated section. Yes. Okay. And this is seasoned with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you have to peel your apples. And
peel it, core it, and get it in little bites, little 1-inch pieces.
1 inch. Everything the same size so it cooks evenly.
Okay.
And olive oil, seasoned with olive oil and salt and pepper, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil total. Now this is not 3 to 4 pounds. It's 3 to 4 pounds of butternut squash, 2 apples, 1 onion. And this is half of it. I've already processed half of it, so you have to put it on so it's on two sheets when roasting. So what we'll do is I have 4 cups of water here, and we're going to get this right in. Now this recipe calls for curry. So if you're not a fan of curry, you can just omit it altogether. Or after we get all our goodies in here, we're going to put a teaspoon in. But since I've already done half of it, I put a half already in. So this time I'm only going to put a half in. Doing 2 different bunches.
Like all the other orange vegetables we've talked about, butternut squash is also super rich in carotenoids that are super good for your liver and loaded with all kinds of great nutrients.
There we go. So we're going to put our curry in.
Now you're using water, but you got this out because although this says chicken broth, we wanted you to see the name brand of this. It's in the organic section. We got this at Kroger's, so it's right next to the vegetable or produce section. In the organic section, you can use Imagine name brand vegetable broth, which we didn't have any right now. We just wanted to show you the name brand. It's organic and super good. So you can blend it in your blender at home, or you can put it in a food processor and do the same thing.
Now if you're doing it in a food processor, you might not want to put as much water in there because it might fly out all over. So you can always put it in a pan and it'll be thicker, and then add more water to it so you can have it to your thickness, your consistency.
Okay.
And you can add more salt and pepper if you feel like, and curry powder.
Okay. So that's it. Roasted butternut squash soup. Super yummy and super healthy. Have a great day 14.